Got a question for my Nitro heads. What engine should I put in here? I was gonna sell it, but I had a problem selling it on eBay. But I still will sell it, but our local pickup, I don't want to ship it. Got too much money tied up in it. They be talking about shipping it, so if somebody do want it, I'm in the South Florida area, I'll sell it. But yeah, I ain't ran them in so long, you can see the dust. It's 1/5 scale, so that's why these dusty and these shiny. Yeah, let me know what engine I should put in here. I got a brand new, not brand new, but let me see. What engine that is? Well, this is OS. What engine that is? Yeah, I got this engine here. It's still like new, but it's a bump start. It was supposed to go on this Inferno GT2, but I put the Nova Rossi in there, so I'm trying to think what engine should I put in here. Y'all let me know.